Hi guys, Pete Gonzales here, and I'll be showing you the various ways of using Rust-Oleum's 2X acrylic enamel on automotive parts. Rust-Oleum is the #1 selling brand of enamels, and 2X provides a coverage on metal and most plastics, and other surfaces when compared to Rust-Oleum's general purpose paints. 2X acrylic enamel provides surfaces with less spray passes, allowing projects to be completed faster and easier. The any angle spray features you allowed to spray in any direction, even upside down. With the fast drying formula, your projects will be done in a flash. In this video, I'll be transforming the side view mirror and door handles using 2X paint. Let's do this. Depending on the project you're working on, you want to make sure you mask up any areas you do not want to paint. Also, if your area is nice and smooth, whether it's metal or plastic, you want to make sure that you lightly scuff that for a better adhesion, just like this. Now that this is all prepped and clean, we want to make sure that we shake the can vigorously. When applying this product, you want to make sure that you work in a back and forth motion, always staying at least a foot away from the surface and keeping your slight overlap passes as you go, just like this. Now I've just finished up my second coat. I want to make sure that I wait 1 hour before I handle it and 24 hours before a full cure. For more information on this product and other automotive paints, go to Rust-Oleum.com/automotive. Till next time.